Today, I'm going to show you how to add a supplier purchase invoice in QuickBooks Online. In QuickBooks, a supplier purchase invoice is usually entered as a bill. First, sign into QuickBooks Online and open the correct company file. From the dashboard, click New or Create. Under the Vendor or Supplier section, select Bill. This opens the bill form. First, choose the vendor or supplier. If the supplier is not already saved, click Add New and create the supplier. Next, enter the details from the supplier invoice. Add the bill date, which should match the date on the supplier invoice, then enter the due date. QuickBooks may fill this in automatically based on the supplier's payment terms. Next, enter the bill number or supplier invoice number. This helps you avoid duplicate entries and makes the bill easier to find later. Now enter what the invoice is for. Use the category details section for expenses like utilities, repairs, office supplies, or services. Choose the correct expense category, add a short description, and enter the amount. Use the item details section if the invoice is for products, inventory, or items you track in QuickBooks. Enter the product or service, quantity, rate, and amount. Next, scroll to the attachments section. Upload a PDF or image of the supplier invoice so the document is saved with the bill. Before saving, review the supplier, bill date, due date, bill number, categories or items, amounts, and attachment. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close. If you're ready to pay it now, choose Save and Schedule Payment if that option is available. And that's how to add a supplier purchase invoice in QuickBooks Online in 2026.